In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear search history in Windows 11. Fix Today here. Let's begin. Start by clicking the Start button on your taskbar. Then select the Settings gear icon to open your system settings. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. Next, scroll down until you find the Windows Permissions section, then click on Search Permissions. This is where Windows manages your search activity and history. Scroll further down until you reach the History section. Here you'll see an option labeled Clear Device Search History. Click that button, then click Clear to confirm. This will immediately remove all the search history stored locally on your device. If you don't want Windows to keep saving your searches moving forward, look for the toggle labeled Search History on this device and switch it off. This helps keep your searches private and prevents new entries from being saved. Just below that, you'll also see an option called Show Search Highlights. This controls whether Windows shows suggestions and content in the search box and search home. If you prefer a cleaner experience without suggestions, you can toggle this off as well. Now, if you also want to clear search data stored in your Microsoft account, look for the Microsoft Privacy Dashboard link below the History section. Click it, and it will open in your browser. From there, you'll be able to view data linked to your account, including search activity. You may see options for both your Microsoft account and any work or school accounts connected to your device. You can turn off tracking or manage the data based on your preference. Once you're done reviewing and adjusting your settings, simply close your browser and the settings window. That's it. Your search history is now cleared and your privacy settings are updated in Windows 11. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.